Hey, everyone. Today, we are going to be taking a closer look at the iPhone 15, Apple's latest and greatest flagship smartphone. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more informational videos like this. And be sure to watch this video to the end. Without further ado, let's get started. Design. The iPhone 15 has a sleek and stylish design that's sure to turn heads. It features a flat-edged aluminum frame with a glass back, and it's available in a variety of colors, including black, white, silver, gold, and blue. The phone is also slightly lighter and thinner than its predecessor, the iPhone 14, making it even more comfortable to hold and use. Display. The iPhone 15 has a beautiful 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR-O LED HDR10 Dolby Vision 1000 nits HBM 2000 nits peak display with a resolution of 2556 multiply 1179 pixels. The display is bright, clear, and vivid, and it's perfect for watching videos, playing games, and browsing the web. The phone also has a new feature called ProMotion, which allows the display to dynamically adjust its refresh rate up to 120 Hz for smoother scrolling and animations. Camera. The iPhone 15 has a dual lens rear camera system that takes stunning photos and videos. The main lens is a 48 megapixel wide angle lens with an f1.6 aperture. The second lens is a 12 megapixel ultra-wide angle lens with an f2.4 aperture. The camera system also has a new feature called Cinematic Mode, which allows you to record videos with shallow depth of field. Performance. The iPhone 15 is powered by Apple's A16 Bionic chip, which is the fastest chip ever in a smartphone. The chip is incredibly powerful and efficient, and it allows the phone to handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. The phone also has 6 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage. Battery life. The iPhone 15 has Li-ion 3000, 349 mAh long-lasting battery that can easily last you a full day on a single charge. The phone also supports fast charging, so you can quickly top up your battery when you need it. Software. The iPhone 15 runs on iOS 17, Apple's latest mobile operating system. iOS 17 is a major update that introduces a number of new features, including a customizable lock screen, improved notifications, and a new focus mode for work. Conclusion. So, what do I think of the iPhone 15? I think it's an amazing phone that's sure to please even the most demanding users. It has a sleek design, a beautiful display, a powerful camera system, and a long-lasting battery. And with iOS 17, it's packed with the latest features and functionality. If you are looking for the best possible smartphone experience, I highly recommend checking out the iPhone 15. Thanks for watching this review. I hope this video is informational and helpful for you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Please like it, and also click on the subscribe button so you won't miss out on our next video. For the time being, goodbye.